Hello, hi friends. Welcome to Study Circle. Today our topic is voltage or potential difference. Most of the people confused with the term voltage. So I am going to give the live example to understand the voltage. If you listen this example, you never forget the voltage definition. Everybody knows that throwball game. In the throwball game, one person stands here One person stands here and he has to throw the ball to some distance. He has to throw the ball some distance. The distance is L. If he throws the ball must be reached to some distance, that is L. The point A and this is point B. This ball must be reached to some distance, that is L. He is applying some force on the ball. Okay. That means he is doing some work. We know the work definition. The force applied on object to move with L distance is called work done. He is applying some force on the ball to move the distance L. So he is doing some work. He is applying some force now. On which object he is applying? He is applying on this ball. So work done per that ball gives his potential. Work done per that ball gives his potential. Similarly, coming to our topic, here the conductor is connected to one external voltage source. When we connect this external source, electric field setup, we know already we have studied in previous class. Due to this electric field, some electric force develops in the conductor. Here the electric force applied on charge to move with a distance L from A to B. That means this electric force doing some work here. That work is Fe into L. We know already we have seen that example of throwball game. Here also the work done by the electric force is W. The electric force applied on charge to move the distance L is called work done. Here the force is applying on charge. So the work done by the electric force on charge to move the distance L from A to B is called potential or voltage. The work done by the electric force on charge passing through L distance from A to B is called potential difference between those points. We know SI units of work done is joules and SI units of charge is coulomb. SI units of voltage is volt. Now I am going to compare our electric circuit with our example. The person applies the force. Here the electric field develops the force. Here the person applies force on this ball. Here the electric force applies on charge. Here the length L depends on his strength or his potential. Here the length L depends on the potential which we want to measure between those points. The force applied on ball to move with a distance L gives his potential. The electric force applied on charge to move with a distance L from A to B gives the electric potential. To measure this potential difference, we are using one device is called voltmeter. Now, voltmeter measures the voltage in the circuit and should be connected in parallel. Okay friends, I hope everyone will understand the definition of the voltage. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.